Healthy Nutrition, the Advocacy Alliance Healthcare Quality Unit. Disclaimer: the information presented to you today is intended to increase your awareness. The information is not intended to replace medical advice. If you are in need of medical advice, please contact your healthcare provider. Objectives: the participant will learn what is healthy nutrition, importance of healthy nutrition, components of healthy nutrition, MyPlate dietary guidelines, and healthy food choices. What is healthy nutrition? Nutrition is how nutrients in the food we eat nourish and affect the health of our bodies. A nutrient is a component of food that has an impact on our body's functioning. Healthy nutrition is when we are providing our bodies with healthy nutrients to maintain or improve our overall health and well-being. Importance of healthy nutrition. Healthy nutrition has many positive benefits, including providing our bodies with the energy we need to be able to function each day. Healthy nutrition also helps keep our bodies growing. It can help improve our mood. It can help keep our bones strong. It helps us to fight off or recover from illness, and it can also help decrease your risk of developing certain diseases. Things like diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure are all different diseases that can be positively impacted when we have healthy nutrition. Components of healthy nutrition. Carbohydrates are one component to a healthy diet. There are two types of carbohydrates: simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates do provide energy. However, the energy is usually in the form of sugar and fat, and it isn't very long lasting. You will find simple carbohydrates in things like white breads and rice, cakes and cookies, even soda. While they may taste good, they don't provide any good nutrients for our body. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, do provide us a good source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and energy. Foods that have complex carbohydrates include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans. Protein is another component of healthy nutrition. Protein is important in our bodies as it helps us produce energy. It helps to build and maintain and repair cells and tissue throughout our body, as well as our muscles. Different examples of protein include lean meats and chicken, fish, eggs, dairy products like cheese, milk, yogurt, and nuts. Fats are another piece of healthy nutrition. Fats provide our bodies with energy. They help support our cells to grow and function. They help our body absorb vitamins and minerals from the food that we eat, and healthy fats can lower our cholesterol and help reduce our risk of heart disease. Examples of foods that are considered healthy fats are things like olive oil, walnuts or almonds, flaxseed, salmon, tuna, and lean meats. Avocado is another type of healthy fat, but not all fat is good fat. Saturated or unhealthy fats tend to be found in animal products, such as bacon or sausage, in a lot of the prepackaged foods that we buy. They can also be found in the cakes and cookies and donuts or the pastries that we like to eat. These unhealthy fats, if we eat a lot of them, will cause us to gain weight and can increase our cholesterol and put us at higher risk for developing heart disease. So when looking to add fat to your diet, always be looking for things that are unsaturated or healthy fats. Fiber is another component of our healthy nutrition. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate found in plant foods that our body does not digest or break down. Fiber helps provide a feeling of fullness, and this can help you maintain a healthy weight or even help you lose some weight. Fiber can help lower cholesterol levels, and it can improve blood sugar levels. Fiber helps keep our gastrointestinal system healthy and can help prevent constipation. Good sources of fiber include whole grains such as whole wheat, brown rice, oatmeal, nuts, seeds, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals are an essential part of healthy nutrition. There are many different types of vitamins and minerals that our bodies need every day. Some examples of those are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, potassium, iron, and sodium. These different vitamins and minerals help our bodies use the food that we eat for energy. They help to regulate many different processes in our bodies to help keep everything functioning. Different sources of vitamins and minerals include fruits, vegetables, lean meats, whole grains, and dairy. One more important component of healthy nutrition is water. When we talk about nutrition, we tend to think just about food, but we can't forget about water. Water is essential to almost all of our body functions. Some of the important things that water does for us every day is help us digest the food that we eat, help absorb the nutrients from that food, help keep our body temperature normal. It helps lubricate our joints so that we can move. And it helps keep our body tissues moist. Parts of our body, like our skin, our eyes, our nose, and our mouth, are very sensitive to water. If we are dehydrated or don't have enough, those areas can get dry and they can crack and allow infection into our bodies, making us sick. In addition to just drinking water, you can also get water from a lot of different fruits and vegetables. Some examples are things like watermelon, grapes, and celery. MyPlate Dietary Guidelines. MyPlate was created to provide a visual aid to help people set up balanced and nutritious meals. As you can see in the picture, the plate is cut up into 4 colorful sections. One section is for fruits, one for vegetables, one for protein, and one for grains. Next to your plate, there is a bowl or cup that is meant to hold some dairy. That could be milk or cheese or yogurt. By setting up your plate this way, you will already be on your way to a nutritious and healthy meal. Some things to think about when you're using the MyPlate system. MyPlate encourages you to make half of your plate fruits and vegetables. When choosing different fruits and vegetables, you want to be looking for whole fruits and not juices. You also want to be looking for a variety of vegetables. You want to try and make at least half of the grains on your plate whole grains. So things like quinoa and bulgur are 2 different kinds of whole grains. Even brown rice, brown bread, or whole wheat pasta count. For your protein, try to have something different a few times a week. Vary your protein routine. If you usually eat chicken or red meat, try fish or turkey. You can even substitute beans or eggs if you don't want to have meat. When you're using dairy, look for milks and yogurts that are lower in fat. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein and dairy. Choose foods and beverages that have less added sugars, less added saturated or bad fat, and lower sodium. All of these little changes will put you on your way to a much healthier plate. Healthy food choices. Here are a few more tips to keep in mind. When you're looking for fruits and vegetables, try and buy fresh. If there aren't any available fresh fruits and vegetables, frozen are a very good option. If you're buying canned fruits and vegetables, look for fruit that is canned with water and not syrup, and look for vegetables that are labeled as low sodium or low salt. Try and get a variety of different colored fruits and vegetables in throughout the day. Try and get a different color with each meal. You can improve the taste of plain water by adding a few slices of fresh fruit, or trying sparkling water if you like something a little more like soda and something that has bubbles. For your proteins, if you're always someone who eats chicken or beef, try something different. Try turkey or fish. Even beans and eggs are a good source of protein. and we want to try and limit saturated fats, added sugars, and added sodium. An easy way to do this is to try and reduce the number of prepackaged foods that you buy. Remember, the healthiest foods in the grocery store are usually found around the outside of the store, not down the aisles. In conclusion, healthy eating is associated with a reduced risk for many different diseases. Some of those diseases are diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. A healthy diet is one key to building a healthy lifestyle. Healthy choices don't have to be overwhelming. Start small by making a healthy food choice with each meal. Thank you for joining us today. This concludes the presentation on healthy nutrition.